This YouTube channel creates short videos from podcasts using AI and gets millions of views in few days. According to Social Blade, this channel makes around $10,000 to $169,000 a month. Again, this is another channel doing the same thing. They take a podcast, they cut out some parts and upload it as a short video. This one makes from $6,000 to $100,000 a month. And again, another channel with the same content. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a simple, very simple way to do the same thing as these guys doing, and make a lot of money out of it. So don't go anywhere and watch this video till the end, because I'm sure you don't want to miss this. If you like to support me for making this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything in the future. Now let's dive into it. To create our shorts, I'm going to use Joe Rogan's podcast because his videos gets a lot of views. You can use other influencers too, like Elon Musk or Jordan Peterson. Now what we're going to do, we go to this amazing website called Opus Clips. Opus Clip is a generative AI video editing tool that repurposes your long videos into viral short videos. It analyzes your video to identify the most compelling hooks, extracts relevant juicy highlights from different parts of your video, and seamlessly rearranges them into cohesive viral short videos. First, when I heard about this AI tool, I was shocked. It changes the game completely. You can automate your creation and make lots of content in just a matter of minutes. You don't need to worry about anything now. The hardest part of a YouTube channel is editing a video, and the AI does everything for you. The only thing you're going to do is post the video. This is amazing. Click the link in the description and it will take you to the website. After signing up, you'll get 2 hours of video uploading for free. Now the next thing you're going to do is copy the link of a podcast and paste it in here. But keep in mind that the video you want to make shorts from it is in these categories. Okay, now let's choose a video. Let's say we choose this one. Copy the link of the video. Go back to the Opus and paste your link. The shorts will be in 1080p resolution, and it'll cost us 8 minutes credit, because the original video has a length of 8 minutes. Click on Get Clips and wait for the AI to do its job. It'll tell you how long it's going to take to generate the shorts. Usually it's not going to take so long, but if the servers are busy, it can take some time. Okay, now let's see what it made for us. It generated 3 shorts from an 8 minutes long video. It also scored every one of them. It means the higher the score, the better chance of getting viral. It also gave a possible title for every one of them. Let's check the first video with the highest score.
2021, there was a UFO that hovered over an Air Force base. These guys, 50 guys observed this thing. We got 50 different people. I think he actually released photos of it. That's the craft. It's half of a football field size, and it was hovering over this military base, and then it just disappeared, just jetted off. In 2000.
Wow, this was amazing. This was the best short you could have made from that video. Also look at the text, just exactly like the shorts that going viral these days. You can download this directly or make some changes by clicking here. You can add some extra text if you want, or add some emojis, or change the color of the text. After you are satisfied, download the video. I assume you already created your YouTube account. Click here and upload your video. Here you add a title, description, tags, and other stuff. You can use ChatGPT to write a description for your video. Copy the script of the video you downloaded from Opus and paste it in ChatGPT. Then ask for a description. Add some hashtags in the description related to the topic of your video. Apply some settings and add tags. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate tags related to your video. After setting everything, proceed to the next steps and finally publish your video. That's it, guys. Start your YouTube journey and make a side hustle for yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make better videos for you guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.